What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel, and I'm excited for this video. If y'all don't know me, well, most of you guys don't know me, but my name is Leo Fuentes, and today we're installing some coilovers to the Subaru WRX.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps.
You can't go wrong with these coilovers.
Got them right here. And we kind of opened them already, but if you know, if you're in the car community, you know what Fortunato is. And we're gonna see if these are good. You know, we're gonna do a hard review on these things once the car's on. So these are, no technical difficulty, but these are the Fortunato 500 series. I heard a lot of good things about them. And we're gonna see how they work. I really wanted bags, but you know,
That'll be 2 weeks from now, don't worry.
yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. If we don't like the Fortunatos, somebody come take them.
$100.
$100. Just give me some bags.
Your deal's gonna be blown.
And now it's time to install these. These are nice.
Nice.
This is a new setup right now. It's looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Yeah, so now we're gonna see. I don't even know how low it's gonna go because we just kind of put a random spring grate.
Check it out.
All right, let's see.
That does look pretty low.
That looks pretty good. I would drive like this. No, I can't.
Hold on. Take this out.
All right, so what do you guys think? You guys seeing them right now? And now let's see this. Let me see the front ones. Let's see the front stock suspension.
That looks good, bro.
Front stock suspension. Yeah, man, there's a big difference. We got some rusty rotors. Most likely we'll replace them before we put the new wheels. And this is a car right now. It's looking rough. It's in rough shape. Finished installing. You can barely see it. Let me turn on the ISO. So you see the front ones fully installed. And now we just need to install these. And then we're pretty much finished. And that's it.
Yo, they're a lot lighter, bro.
Pretty simple install.
Yo, they're a lot lighter.
Alright guys. The car is finally lowered.
And cute.
This is my wildin'. But anyways, let's see.
Bro, look at this. This could be a table, bro.
Now it can, right?
We're going lower though, you know that, right?
Apparently we're going lower.
I mean, we have to, bro. We have no choice.
Oh, what's up?
What the heck I done?
Yes, sir. Sheesh, let me see how I'm gonna get out of my car. These are the final products of the headlights. Look pretty good. I think they're gonna look pretty good on the car.
We probably still wet sand the outside. You know what I'm saying? Wet
Yeah.
sand it and then polish it.
Yeah, the lens is scratched up. But what do you guys think? Leave comments down below. Tell me what you guys think of the new lights. See if you're a fan of them or if you like the circuit even ones better. We didn't get to try the headlights on last time, but this is how the headlights are gonna look. They look mad aggressive. It's looking pretty good if you ask me.
Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
What type of car do you drive?
I know, 7 STI.
Sheesh, he said RS.
That's better than us.
I know.
Yo, we got a little WRX and this man got an STI. You got big money, man. How the hell did you get that STI? I don't know, bro. You're 17 years old, you got that damn STI. What was it? 18?
Damn. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. It's probably going to be a short one. I didn't realize how fast we were going to install these coils. It literally took us about 3 hours, which was us messing around, you know, having fun and just recording some stuff here and there. But that's it. And you can see the car came out, it's looking pretty nice. It's definitely gonna get lower because we do got some fender flares, and that's the next video. We got some fender flares going wide body, if you consider fender flares wide body, but, and then after that we're gonna do some adjusting, and then for the new wheel reveal. So, like I said, like, subscribe, leave comments on the videos, and we'll reply to every single comment. It's currently 10:55, so you know, it's the time I usually go to sleep. But anyways, follow my socials, I'm gonna put them in the bio below, and I'll have something around here. So Leo Puentes is on YouTube, and then Leo Puentes is on Instagram. Anyways, that's it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
What's that, carbon fiber hood?
Yeah, we're gonna see if we do a carbon fiber hood. Never know, we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. That's it for the video.
Hey, off the juice, clothing got me tripping. Cut the coupe, walk a roof.